name is Mr. Leo. I'm a studio artist and an art teacher here in Mira Mesa. And today we are drawing Miramar Lake birds. I don't know if you guys like going to Miramar Lake, but I really enjoy watching the birds over there. So that's what we're gonna draw today. I'm gonna switch this over. Our easel. I'm gonna remove. This was Friday's drawing. A little sunrise or sunset. Sunrise, sunset. The tools we'll need a pencil. We'll need a marker and a eraser if you want to erase your sketch. First drawing that we're gonna do. Guess I'll let you guys see as it develops. Let's go from the center. And a little to the right, we're gonna make an oval. Just an oval. Nothing special. Ovals are special though. I think we've been using them for a whole month now, or a month and a half. We've been drawing for a while now. Okay. Now let's do another oval, guys. This one's thinner, and this oval is going to come from the left side here, and it's going to go up vertically. So let's make that oval. Pretty simple. Okay. And then the next thing, we're gonna draw a circle. And this circle is gonna be maybe 1/3 the size of this oval. Or actually it's about half the size of the oval if we start from right there, right? See, you gotta use points of references. You gotta relate. Certain things we draw, we have to relate it to other areas of what we draw. And that's how we get better proportions. We have to use points of references. Okay, the next thing, I want you guys to draw two very thin rectangles. We'll draw one here. Very thin rectangle. And we'll draw one over here. Pretty simple. So, I got two rectangles. The next thing is going to be a three-sided shape, which is a triangle. Let's make that triangle, guys. Triangle. And then we'll draw another triangle. And they're going to be about the same size, but they're at a slightly different angle. Next thing is what is this shape? We'll go out with a curve, and then it'll round about in the end, and then it'll curve back in. This is going to be a duck bill, because that's what we're drawing. A duck. And let's get those tail feathers, guys. So the tail feathers, we're just going to make a bunch of curved lines to the side. See? Curved lines to the side. And then for its wings, I want you guys to make a half oval. So instead of drawing a full oval, we're gonna make a half oval. So we're not quite connecting it, and then we're gonna curve it on the sides here as well. So it looks like feathers. Yes, it's a duck. And I think its back is a little short, so let's kind of angle the back towards the neck here. Let's shape it a little bit. There. Now that looks more ducky. And let's not forget the duck's eyes. I'm gonna give my duck really big eyes, cause it's funny. So how do we make our eyes again? My favorite is just a big circle to the side, and circle in the center, right? Simple, cutesy eye. And I think I'm gonna make a little dot for the nostril, so our duck can breathe, and our duck can have a smile. Why not? Little smile. Because it's a happy duck. It gets to lounge on a nice, warm San Diego lake all day long. All right. Let's put away our pencils. And let's get our markers out. This time I'm gonna use my Sharpie. Why not? I like to switch it off. So let's go ahead and start with our eyes. Remember, just 3 circles. Big circle, circle to the side, and a circle in the center. Next thing we do, we're gonna do the contour of the duck. Meaning we're gonna do the outlines, just the lines on the outside. So let's go around the duck. Let's go, guys. Whee! And a little smile. And then we're gonna continue down to its face, down to its neck, to its body. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. And it doesn't matter here that the legs are being cut off from the line, because ducks are they're not fuzzy, but they're fluffy, and these legs will just be like underneath there, all that fluff. So let's continue. Let's make those curves in the end for tail feathers. And then let's continue to the back. And let's go around the head. There, nice easy contour of our Miramar Lake duck. And let's get these other things here too. Let's get this half oval wing. Quack, quack, swim, swim. And then let's get those curves too. We keep it open so it looks like it's connected. That's the wing. Let's do the legs. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't know I was going fast again. Okay, so let's do the rectangle legs. Both of them. We're keeping it open though. We're not closing it off. It's okay, Fate. We have 2 more. Good to have you with us. I'm gonna make a dot for its nostril. It's okay, Fate. It's okay. So let's go ahead and follow the shape of the triangle. But over here, this is where I want you guys to make a wavy line. Not just a triangle, but I want you guys to go in, out, because it actually has 3, kind of like 3 toes, but they're webbed feet, right? So we'll do the same here too. Go out, in, in. So it's kind of like zigzags, I guess. And that's that. That's our first Miramar Lake creature. And here's a little trick. If you make it a little darker here, it looks like shade or shadow. See, we could do it on the wings as well. Feels like shade or shadow. Gives it a little visual weight. There. That's our duck. Quack, quack. And that'll be our first drawing for today. I really like seeing these ducks mass up by the pier in Miramar Lake. Really fun to watch, very relaxing. Why would there be a pig with the duck? Are there pigs in Miramar Lake that I don't know about? Quack, 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 quack. Okay guys, so this is the next thing we're drawing. Let's go from the center. Maybe we'll do farm animals for you, DJ, because you're requesting a pig. So let's go from the center. We'll draw an oval to the right. This was my niece's favorite when she was growing up, and I used to take her to Miramar Lake, and we used to feed the birds. I know you're not supposed to, but if you don't feed them bread, I think it's okay, because bread's not actually good for birds. So this is just an oval, guys, but it's kind of rounder and bigger on one side. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. I'm trying to slow down for you guys because I know someone said it was too fast. So now we're gonna draw another oval, but this is at an angle, see? It's not straight on, it's at an angle. So let's go ahead and sketch that oval. And then let's do some little rectangles. Yeah, so again, this bird is was my niece's favorite when she was small. She's a teenager now, so I don't know what she likes anymore. TikTok, I guess. Rectangle over here. Another one that's thin. And these are, so the first rectangles we made that are closer to the body, they're small and they're going this way at that angle. Now these rectangles, they're going this way at this angle. Yeah. These are a little different. Okay guys, so about half the size of this oval that we made, we're gonna need that for our head. So let's make that circle. Oh. Your niece has a friend, but your friend's only 9. Yeah, that happens. I think my niece had a cousin who was older than her by 1 year. Just because, you know, people have children in different times, right? Okay, next thing, guys. Let's make a triangle. Nope, it's not a flamingo. Good guess, because it's the legs, right? There's so many species of birds. I think that's because they could fly and so they spread around all over the world to create such a great variety of them. All right, and then we have to draw this oval thing on the top here. I don't know why they have it, but they have it. So let's draw an oval. And the oval's kind of curved. It follows the shape of the head, see? Kind of like a jelly bean, but not really. It's a little longer than a jelly bean. Yep, this is a bird, guys. But do you guys know the actual name of this bird? It also has 3 toes each in each leg. Actually, it's 4. It has its back. It has its back toe. So let's go do those toes, guys. So let's make some ovals. 1, 2, and let's make a few more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Not a turkey. And let's make a few more ovals, you guys. Over here. 1, 2. 1, 2. So these toes are on its side, so we probably only see a sliver of the third one over here on the back. But I wish there were platypus in Miramar Lake. We'll probably do that in another drawing. I think that would be really fun, Fate. That's a good idea. Okay, and then we'll make one back toe, which is just another oval, and one little back toe here. And let's not forget the eye. Again, this one will also have my favorite kind of eye. It's just a big circle, guys. Circle to the side, and a circle right in the center. And let's not forget the tail feathers. Tail feathers are just curves on its bottom. And let's not forget the wings, just a half oval. And then let's make some curves on the side, and that's that. Have you guys seen this creature? It's called a coot. C-O-O-T. They're small and black, and usually there's a bunch of them that hang out with the ducks. They're a little smaller. It's not a peacock, guys. There's no peacocks in Miramar Lake. Close, I guess. Very close. In that it's also a bird. Okay, let's put away our pencil. We could get our markers out now. I think I'm going to get my ink pen this time because I want it to get... I want more varied lines. So let's go ahead and do this creature. So this coot, let's draw out its big eye first. Oh, there you go. It can capture all my nice little wobbly lines. And we'll draw... There, it's an eye. Oh. Shoot. Hey, could you guys hear me? Oops. I'll give it a moment, guys. Let's go ahead and draw that weird head part. Okay, seems like some of us could hear. Let's get that triangle for the mouth. So yeah, coots were my niece's favorite. She was the queen of the coots. Yeah, we used to feed them all the time. But remember, if you're gonna break the law and feed them, don't feed them bread, guys. Bread is really bad for them. Feed them popcorn or rice. Or fruits, carrots even. Okay, guys. Or just Google it. Everyone has a phone now. Google what's good for them. Because what might be good for some creatures might be really toxic to others. So let's go ahead and follow the body. Let's go down the length of the body. And we can cut off those legs. Not that we're cutting them off. It's because the birds are so fluffy that these legs kind of just hide below them, right? So we don't have to show that it's connected to the body. So we're just going to go around the coot's body. Let's go draw the coot's fluffy tail feathers. And then we're going to go back up and around the coot's back. Yeah, so these are These are the darker colored birds. I think they're black or gray. And they sometimes have red eyes. So they look kind of interesting. All right. Let's get that half wing. And we don't have to draw all those other shapes there. We're just drawing what we need. So that's the beauty of sketching, right, guys? We get to compose on the paper. We get to see where we want our lines. Then we can draw over them. The next thing, we'll do the legs. So coots' toes or feet are very different from ducks. The ducks have webbed toes, while coots just have big, flat toes that help them swim. So they're very different. They evolve differently. So let's go ahead and draw the contour of one leg here. So we're just gonna follow the rectangles, but we're not drawing out those lines, just the contour lines, right? Yeah, the body does kind of look like a lemon. If I show you the actual picture, I think it just looks like a lemon bird, a gray lemon bird. So let's go ahead and draw those toes. And then up here, we don't have to bring it all the way. From here, we can have this one overlap this toe, see? Pretty simple. And then this toe's out here. And then the back toe just sneaks out like that. Oh, darn it. Hey, could you guys, could anyone hear me out there? I'm not sure why it's muted. Let's go ahead and follow. Darn it. Hey, could you guys hear me? Shoot. Hey, could you guys hear me? Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. Seems like some of us can't hear. Let me see. Sorry about that, guys. We'll give it a moment. I'm gonna press some buttons or something. Hopefully it does something. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Huh, looks like I could hear myself too. Did you try refreshing? Here, we'll finish up this coot really quick, guys. Seems like some of you could hear. For those of you that can't hear, really sorry. I'm gonna try and, well, I guess we'll save the video recording and hopefully you guys could hear from there. Very sorry about that. I don't know what's going on. Well, all right, let's continue this leg, guys. And so we only see some of the toes because these feet, you could see them from up above, but the feet over here, you're seeing them like this, so you only see two. Oh, a lot of angry people out there today. Sorry, guys. So let's get those ovals. And then let's go bring this toe over because it's overlapping, right? And then that back toe. And then the toe furthest away from us. We only see a sliver of it. So that's a coot. Yep, we have one more after this. This is our second one of 3 today. And yeah, this is those are those other birds that hang out with the ducks all the time asking for food. Remember, don't give them bread. Bread does this thing where it overgrows their feathers and then they can't fly anymore. It's really bad. Just popcorn or rice. Uh-oh, I need another piece of paper. We draw too much, guys. All right. One more. Oops. Let's turn it this way. Okay. Last but not least. Okay. Oh, thanks, guys. All right. Oh. So from the center, we'll go lower. And then let's make an oval once more. But this oval is going to be kind of, what is it? It's a bit fatter. So it's a fatter oval. Okay. Next thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to make another oval. And this oval is going to be nice and thin. It's kind of like an eggplant, a really long eggplant. Oh, thank you, guys. And then the next thing, we're going to do our bean shape. See? Bean. The almighty bean. And then let's make a circle, guys, on the end of that bean. Not a flamingo, nope. There's no flamingos in Miramar Lake. Maybe there are now, who knows? Okay. Right below here in the center of this oval, that's where we're gonna draw our feet. And our feet are just gonna be small rectangles. Small, well, they're not small, I guess. They're vertical rectangles. And we'll draw 2 of them on each side. And the next thing, we're gonna draw a triangle, you guys. Triangle. And now I want you guys to draw an oval right here. It's another bean shape, I guess. Hey, guys, little bean shape, this shape. Let's draw some tail feathers over here, and they're just curves like this, right? Curves. Now, let's do our half circle. And let's draw some curves here as well. Are there I don't think there are any turkeys in Miramar Lake. Triangles, guys. Triangles. And then you got to imagine that this other triangle goes to the back. It's like behind this foot. So this foot is in the front and this foot is in the back. This one that I'm shading a little bit. And let's round up this shape here. So this one, let's give it a big eye once more. And then a little smile and a dot for a nostril. Yep, I think these are geese. I don't know if you guys have been chased by them before when you're really small. They're very territorial. And I think some of them even have really tiny teeth. they kind of, when you look at these, you can kind of see how birds have evolved into dinosaurs, because these guys feel very dinosaur-like still. And yeah, they mob up in packs, and then they try and chase you, right? I've been chased by them. So let's put our pencils down. Let's get our markers out. And I know there's a lady over there that's like the geese whisperer, and she hangs out with them and pets them and gives them food and stuff. All right, let's get our markers out. Let's draw this goose. And they make that honking sound. Honk, honk. So let's draw the eye first. Honk, honk. Circle on the side. And then a circle right in the center. And then let's go ahead and draw that bean shape. But we're not going to go past the triangle. Instead, we're going to follow the triangle. We'll make a curve here. Let's go ahead and do that long triangle shape. And then right there. Close it off. And if we make a line within the triangle shape, that could be the mouth. And we can give it a little smile. And let's do the contour of the geese. I'm really happy you guys are here with me drawing, guys. I didn't know if I was going to have anyone today, because our numbers are starting to go down because everyone's back in online school. Anyway, let's do the contour line of the geese. Let's go around. And it's not necessary to save a space for the feet like all the other birds, because they're fluffy underneath. And let's do the goose's bottom. Let's do the tail feathers, which are just rounded, wavy lines that go up. And then let's get the goose's back. So it's just following that oval. And let's go up around the goose's neck, all the way like that. Let's get the wings as well. So the wings are just that half oval and then some curves on the end. And let's not forget our feet. It's just the rectangles, we follow them. We don't close it off. We make a space for the triangle that comes out. And then we're going to give it 3 webbed toes. We follow it back towards that way. And then we can darken the bottom here. Let's follow this rectangle now. And you got to imagine that this is behind this foot. So it's going to be the same process, except we don't go over the foot that's closest to us. So it feels like this is behind that shape. And that's that. That's our third Miramar Lake bird for today. The mighty, aggressive goose of Miramar Lake. Very dangerous creature. So, yeah, don't feed the birds, but if you're gonna break the law and do it, feed them rice or popcorn. No bread. And thank you guys for drawing with me. Please share your drawings at LeoAngelo Art on Facebook. And keep practicing. Have a good day. Oh, also, I am selling my art, and if you'd like to support, my Venmo's on the link on this video. And yeah, that's about it. And we'll start again tomorrow at 9 a.m. for another drawing session. Thank you guys. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. We got our duck, quack quack, coot, coot coot. And then we have our goose, honk honk. And then you hear like a mixture of those when you go to Miramar Lake, right?